Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a barn clean out. We've been getting tons of water. Our drainage kind of filled in with silt, and we got the MT125 with the front end loader and the rear blade on it. We're going to see if we can't make quick work of cleaning this up. All right, we got it all mucked out. Now it's just got to dry. Push it all in a pile here. Gonna let this dry up a little bit, and I'm gonna push this out. Over the last couple years, I've been adding to this, and we've really graded it out nice. And we're gonna be cutting a road in here somewhere eventually. But yeah, we're just gonna smoothen this out and let it compost and compact.